So they are finally here, my newest pack of brushes, the LP painting brushes are finally gonna drop, and in this video I'm gonna show you some of the amazing things that they can do, and also I'm gonna tell you how you can get some exclusive bonuses if you watch this video until the end. Hey, what's up guys, Lucas here and welcome to today's video. As I told you, and I'm going to be sharing some of the amazing things that this pack of brushes can do, the LP painting brushes. I am super excited to be able to share these things with you because I have been working super hard creating art and creating these brushes for the past few months, and I cannot wait for all of you to try them and hopefully enjoy them as much as I have been enjoying creating them. Let me start by telling you why this is my favorite pack so far, without a doubt. Creating a pack of brushes is not just grabbing a bunch of brushes and throwing them into a single file and hope that artists will find one that they would like. It's more about creating a pack that works as a single unit for artists to find a tool specific for that painting that they are creating, for that style that they are trying to accomplish, for that client that wants a little bit more of a vintage look into the illustration. And this is what I try to create with this pack of brushes. A single tool that contains all the painting brushes that any digital artist out there could need for any style. Throughout the past few weeks and months, I have been creating a lot of different tests with these brushes, trying to create different styles like master studies, cartoony styles, more painterly styles, more pop, more comic, more manga. And I have to say, I am really happy to say that these brushes can accomplish everything better than any other pack of brushes that I have tried before. Whenever I create a new pack of brushes, they're a bit of a reflection of my own personal artistic journey. Before I create these brushes for other people like you guys, I create these brushes for myself. So this pack, the LP painting brushes, are a reflection of what is happening through my artistic journey right at this moment. With AI happening and with image generation softwares, the value that I used to give to my paintings looking polished, looking extremely three-dimensional, like 3D figurines or 3D models, has really gone down. And more I started to appreciate having a bit more of myself in my paintings. So without even realizing, I saw myself stopping using tools like the airbrush and round brush to create artwork that gives me a very smooth feeling, a very three-dimensional and artificial feeling, and gravitated more and more to painterly brushes that allow me to leave a bit more of a mark of my hand in my artwork. I started revisiting the art of some of my old favorite artists that have more of a traditional look to their art, like Gerhardt, Schmidt, Leyendecker, Sorolla, and started imitating their artwork to study how did they accomplish their brushwork and their texture. So that is what this pack of brushes is. These LP painting brushes are a reflection of what is happening in my own artistic journey. They of course include all of the old tools that I used to create more polished three-dimensional looking art, but the focus of the pack is in more textural, more traditional looking brushes that help me to emulate traditional media. And that brings me to another thing that I really love about this pack, and that is its versatility. I know that no artist wants to have a list of hundreds and hundreds of brushes out there and not knowing what to use for what. It's inefficient and it is overwhelming. So what I try to accomplish with this pack is provide artists with the minimum amount of tools that they would need to accomplish any style that they would want. For all of you that know my art, you know that I tend to explore a lot of different styles in my art, and that is something that I enjoy personally as an artist. So when creating these brushes, I put it to the test, painting completely different styles with the same pack of brushes. When I set myself to create this pack of brushes, I had no idea what it would turn into. I wanted to create a simple painting pack of 20 brushes that would just help artists color their ink in drawings. And to my surprise, the pack slowly evolved into 50 plus brushes that create any style that you want for your paintings. And it was all thanks to you guys, because for the past months I have been asking you on social media, on polls, on YouTube, what are some of the problems with the brush packs out there? What are some of the things that you would like for your own brush pack? And you have told me exactly what you want. And this is what this pack of brushes is. The answer to all of those complaints, all of those problems that you told me you have had with other packs of brushes. I want to thank all of you that support these releases, because if you don't know, I don't work anymore as an illustrator, as a concept artist. This is my full-time job, providing you with amazing information and incredible tools that make your painting more enjoyable. This pack is absolutely amazing, and I am sure that you're going to love what is going to come. Now, how are you gonna get those exclusive bonuses that I told you about? It is super easy. If you're on YouTube, you can just go to the link in the description. If you're on TikTok or on Instagram, you can go to the link in my bio. You just have to provide your email and you're gonna be reminded or notified when these brushes are going to drop. But also, you're going to be receiving all the free content, all the free tutorials that I'm gonna be sharing in the next few weeks. But not only that, once the brushes drop, if you decide to get the brushes, you're going to get some amazing exclusive bonuses that are only going to drop for the people that sign up for the email list. Thank you again, and I cannot wait to share all of these amazing things we have been working on with all of you guys.